Looking for faster buffer-free streaming, Real Debrid might be the solution, but is it worth your money in 2025? In this honest review, I'll break down everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. Let's go. What is Real Debrid? Real Debrid is a multi-hosting service that gives you access to premium download links. It's mostly used with apps like Kodi, Cinema HD, and StreamU to unlock high-quality streams that free users cannot access. Think of it as a bridge between free content and premium servers, giving you faster and more reliable links. Key features. Number one, high-speed streaming. Streams with minimal buffering, even in 1080p or in 4K. Huge file support. Access to premium hosters like RapidGator, NitroFlare, etc. Works with Kodi and popular APKs. Easily integrates with streaming apps. Offline downloads. You can use it as downloader for large files. Affordable plans. Prices start around €3 for 15 days. Pros. Super fast streaming, especially during peak hours. Massive library of premium links, often better quality than free sources. Easy to integrate with Kodi or apps like Syncler, Cinema HD, or StreamU. Affordable and flexible pricing. Cons. Doesn't host content itself, so it is useless without a compatible app. Can be confusing to set up for beginners. Not all hosters always work reliably. Needs a VPN in some countries to access all features. Is it legal and safe? Real Debrid itself is legal. It just provides premium links, but what you stream with it may not be. Depending on your region, to stay safe, always use a VPN when using Real Debrid with third-party apps. Final verdict. If you are tired of buffering and want reliable HD streams, Real Debrid is absolutely worth it in 2025. Just be sure you know how to use it properly and always pair it with a solid VPN. And that is my honest review of Real Debrid in 2025. If you have tried or have questions, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.